girls, I'm on the road. I decided today, I woke up, I thought I was going to take a little day trip. I am heading further north up 95 in Connecticut. I am on my way to Three Girls Vegan. So I've been wanting to check out this place for a few years. The problem is that I-95 is always like a parking lot. It's always traffic. So I don't really ever desire being in that. So anyway, I decided that I need changes in my life. I've been making changes with my lifestyle and I want to have more experiences, and I'm not going to wait around for friends or anybody to be available to go with me, so I'm just going to do these things on my own. And okay, you know, besides the fact I'm going to a vegan place, so I don't know how enthusiastic anybody else would be for that. I don't have anybody else who lives a meat-free lifestyle, so I'm gonna go. So anyway, I will pay more attention to the road because people don't know how to drive, and when I get there I will continue filming. I drove up here to Three Girls Vegan and I'm waiting for my food to be ready. Alright, we've got a bucket of fried chicken. Wow. Okay, so they give you, I got a couple things to try. So look at this. This is loaded. You got a nice biscuit in here, a couple of dipping sauces. Looks like I got barbecue. I'm not sure what this is. We're gonna find out. Tons of tater tots in here. They're perfectly cooked. I mean, perfectly. They're not soggy. They're not greasy. They are perfect. Wow. Okay. And then, I'm super excited to try both of these things, but this is, oh my God. This is their fried clam strips. These are made from oyster mushrooms. I can't even tell you. Alright, so we got dipping. We got cocktail sauce. And some kind, looks like a remoulade. Oh. I haven't had fried clams in 6 years. Okay? It's been a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this. Okay? Alright, so in New York, in the Bronx, there is City Island. City Island is an institution. So, you know, if you like seafood, you go to City Island. They have the best seafood. It's all fresh. There's some higher end restaurants down there, but there's also, at the end, there's the pier. There's Tony's Pier, and I forget the name of the other one. I used to have a friend that we would go to Tony's and get clam strips, and literally they were this big. This is so good. Onion ring. I like that it's not overly done in a coating. It's got just enough coating on it. I really cannot get over the size. I'm gonna try the cocktail sauce. This was definitely worth the trip. I'm gonna say that. So it's about 2 hours out of New York City. It was just over an hour for me. about an hour and 10 minutes. This is their homemade cocktail sauce. It is so thick. It's got a good amount of horseradish to it. My. So each entree was about 15, 16 bucks each. Obviously you can see it's well worth it. If I had known there was going to be this many strips, I would have asked for more cocktail sauce. Oh my goodness. I'm going to be eating these for days. There's so much in here. So much. Wow. The horseradish should make my nose run. But yeah. So. King oyster. Phenomenal. I came with an appetite. I'm not gonna lie. And this was worth the drive for me. Honestly, I think anybody would like this. Because you can't tell what it is. Yep, I think any seafood lover would like this. If you like clam strips. Okay. Okay, now we're getting into this. Look at these tater tots. They are good. So the dipping sauces that I have, one is barbecue. Again, this reminds me of like a remoulade. And this one is a vegan honey mustard. You definitely get that kick of mustard in there. It's so good. All right, so let's look at this biscuit. Looking buttery as hell. Oh my goodness. Right, so there's the biscuit. And it's so hot. Look. Can you see? This is good. It is a dense biscuit, but it's so hot. Like fresh out of the oven. Good. Crumbly, you know, all the things you want from a biscuit. Whoop. But this is what I came for. I think this is king oyster mushrooms as well. So I'm gonna give it a dip, and we're gonna see. Yeah. The shake on. Okay. It's seitan, but the coating, it's so crispy. Like, it's perfect. It is perfectly done. You see?
The inside, it's tender. So the seitan's not overworked. It's tender. It's juicy. It's piping hot. You hear that crunch? This is satisfying. Very satisfying. There you go. Oh, wow. They have 2 locations. I think the other one is a little bit more of a bakery. They have lots of stuff like ready to go. In a, you know, deli case. They got like a fried chicken entree. They have fried eggplant. A lot of different things that they make. I think on the weekends they have like different menu. I didn't see the clam strips on the weekend menu, but I asked and she's like, yeah, it's we have it. Oh my god. I'm so glad I came up here. Yeah, I wolfed that down. I had an appetite today, so. Like I said, tater tots are not undercooked, they're not overcooked. They are cooked perfectly. And I am getting very full. Okay, I'll take a little bit more of the biscuit. Like easily, I would say that their clam strip, their clam strip platter entree could easily feed 4. Easily. Comfortably. It's so good. With the chicken bucket, you get this enormous biscuit, you get a ton of tater tots, and you get 3 pieces of their fried chicken. It's definitely a good value, and you have to also consider this, okay? Everything's made from scratch. So, get all my lipstick off. Chose to wear red lipstick today, not a good day. Everything's made from scratch, so you know that there's quality ingredients in everything here. You know, they're using plants, using mushrooms for this. And you have, you know, homemade seitan, scratch biscuits, and homemade sauces. This is a winner chicken dinner. So, yeah. It's very easy to get here from 95. It's literally right around the corner when you get off exit 59. It's Guilford. And it's straight run up 95. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. And comment if you'd like to see more of these vegan taste tests from around the tri-state area. And I am happy to oblige. Alright, take it easy.
So, I worked off some of that Three Girls Vegan, but I'm definitely full still. But I want to go take a drive-by over on Main Street, which is where all of the vacation homes are, and just kind of do like a drive-by. All right. So I'm here in Stratford because that was a quick ride from Milford, and I'm gonna get a donut. Okay, all right, so I've got some coffee. I've got a low fuel level. But yeah, I got coffee. So now this is their Stratford, Connecticut location. Donut Crazy has locations all over Connecticut. There's actually one that's much closer to me, but it's after 5 now. And that particular location is in a train station. And they tend to, what appears to be, from my perspective, like a truncated selection at that particular, that's in Saugatuck, Westport. So it just seems like they have not as many to choose from whenever I go there. And I haven't been to Donut Crazy in like over a year, but you know, I'm having a splurge day considering that, you know, I went to get some, you know, vegan fast food or let's say junk food, but you know, fried food. So anyway, I guess after a certain time of day, they have like a buy one get one free. So I ended up paying for 2 of the donuts. 2 of them are free. So they have their dailies, which are cheaper, and then they have their special ones, their crazy ones. So this is what I picked. OMG, they look unreal. All right, so let's do this. Okay, so here we go. We've got strawberry cream, peach cobbler, lemon meringue, and French toast. Okay, look at that. Now, they've got like crazy flavors. Like one of them that's like one of their normal ones that they have is Cookie Monster. And that's got like a big scoop of like chocolate chip cookie dough in the middle of it. And it's got blue frosting on it to resemble Cookie Monster. So I don't even know which one I would like to try. I really am intrigued by the strawberry cream one. He said this has strawberry whipped cream inside. So there's like a vanilla glaze on it, and then it's got all of those. Wow. And then there's strawberry filling. Yeah, I'm not. This is good. Delicious. I think I'm gonna freeze the rest of these. Look at, oh my God, it's so filled. Look. So this was only like a 10-minute ride from the beach area. So it's something to do. These blow Dunkin' Donuts out of the park. Honestly, they're so good. So yeah, this is too messy. Okay, I'm gonna freeze those other ones because you can see how massive these donuts are. But it's something. Milford in general is a pretty sleepy town. There's not much to do. There is a mall. There is shopping somewhere. But honestly, I think it's in the other direction. And I'm about to head home now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little road trip, my little day trip, I should say, not a road trip. I hope you enjoyed my day trip today. And I am going to continue to make videos like this where I'm testing out different foods around the area, and I hope you will like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.